Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with one of a very inspiring story of one of our student, Nandini. So, Nandini have done remarkably well in CUET-PG 2025 in the subject of microbiology and life sciences, and she has got masters in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Center for Biomedical Research in DU, which is one of the prestigious institute for academics and research in life sciences. Before that, Nandini have done her BSc Life Sciences from Sri Aurobindo College, and she was the part of our correspondence with video program. On such a remarkable feat, we would like to congratulate Nandini and wish her all the best for the future academic and research journey. The institute offers all sort of CUET PG program in life science, IIT-JAM, geology, botany, microbiology, genetics, environmental sciences, and all sort of guidance for the master's students who wish to pursue the masters. So those who are willing to do so, they can reach us as early as possible. Once again, we would like to congratulate Nandini for getting masters in biomedical science at ACBR, which is B.R. Ambedkar Center for Biomedical Research, Delhi University. Thank you.